Okay, this video is going to show you how to bypass the auto shutoff on a John Deere tractor that is located under your seat. There's a switch underneath here that you plug into a sensor that every time you get out of your seat, it makes this auto shut off. It's a great safety feature, and quite frankly, you should leave it and do it at your own risk if you follow anything I do, because that's the safety way of doing it. So I put an aftermarket seat on because my other one just deteriorated. And right now, instead of hooking that whole mechanism back up under here, I'm just going to create a bypass by jumping these two in here. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. So first thing you're going to do is grab some male disconnects at Home Depot. This is what I'm grabbing right here at this gauge. And you can see them here. I've made one where I've taken the full one, that's how they come, and I've used razor blade and some pliers to hold it down, and I've created this to expose the male end. The wire will obviously go in there, you'll crimp it in, and then you'll have that right there. And all you're gonna do is use a pair of pliers to keep your hands away from it, and I'm just gonna show you without doing it. You're basically gonna cut right here with a very sharp pair of razor blades. So when you have that done, then the next thing is you're going to take your two ends and you're going to get your wire, fairly decent gauge, and you're going to get expose both ends as you would. You're going to put these on. So this next piece. Okay, so I've created it. I actually used a pair of vice grips to really clamp down on it, and I used some of these, but I just want to make sure it was tight. So now we're ready to install it. And there you have it. I've installed it on both sides. It's nice and snug. So the next thing I'm going to do is just put a ton of electrical tape around this, because I just want to keep it dry and just ensure everything will be okay. So that's next. And there is the end result, nice and snug. There really are no holes. It just looks kind of rough on the edge because I'm not a professional. And as you can see, everything runs fine. Good to go. Good luck.